So I'll be doing one round of cat and mouse.io.
It was worth a try.
Yeah, this game has ads, so I have to end this video when I'm about to get an ad.
Snowman catapult.
John needs to get one of those.
Bro, I literally jinxed him. I literally jinxed him.
I don't even know where I got those costumes. Huh? Hey, you left that upstairs window open. Okay, it's not a brilliant plan, but it's close.
You don't want to do anything with me, do you, puppy?
No!
I could get that from my dad.
Huh? Fine. See you for dinner Sunday night, Mom.
Finally, I'm gonna play another round.
I don't know, but I'll bet I get sued.
I'm dreadfully sorry, Mr. Allwork. This pussycat breached security, and now I see that young Jack is missing. Also, the dog you bought him.
Oh wait, there are free cats now?
Obvious where they are. Get the car outdoors. And you, Cat. They're coming with me.
Oh, nothing's going right. Even with the garage sale, I still don't have enough money.
Oh, run!
It's gone, and I may have lost Odie forever.
Oh.
Maybe not forever. Odie! You're
Thumpa! Oh my god, am I last
I'm
alive?
never going to let you get away from me again.
Bro, how are we gonna catch this on video? Bro!
I bought that dog fair and square.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah! Bye, guys! See you later.